Hi Carl, this is the customized video that I had emailed you about, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a couple of things that I see going on here with May Creek Landscaping and explain to you kind of the whole picture here. So when I Google landscape Bellevue, immediately you guys pop up. You're the first one, you're right there. That's wonderful. So great job with that. Now, this is what's called the map pack, and that's your local map listings. Just below the map pack is what's called the organic listings. So these are the top ranking sites that people see when they Google landscape Bellevue. So again, you guys are in the top for the map pack. That's wonderful. Unfortunately, though, when I go down to the organic listings, I combed through almost 10 pages and you guys were nowhere to be found. I'll be completely honest with you that I stopped searching at that point because the fact of the matter is that no companies, I apologize, no potential customers are going to be searching that far for, a selected company to go with. So there's that. Now, I did a little more digging, and here's what's happening. When I go to your guys' site, this is a beautiful site. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It flows well. The first thing that I noticed right off the top in the issue is that content. There's not enough command content. What Google does is they have crawlers that crawl all of these sites every single day constantly. What Google wants to see is 1,500 words of quality content on the homepage of any website. Now, I ran the numbers and you guys are coming in at 323 words of valuable content on your first page. There's just not enough. So that's the first thing that stood out to me. And, honestly, that's probably the biggest one here because, like I was saying, the site is really nice. It's really pretty. Now I did, going back to these organic listings, I found the very first ranking site on the first page, and then obviously the number 2 spot is Green Spaces. So I pulled up their site as well so we can kind of just do a comparison, and here's Green Spaces site. So now, to be honest, I like the look immediately going into your site better. But as we scroll down, we can just see that there's more content here. They've got why we're different. They've got an array of pictures going on here and a little bit more information. This still is not enough. Like I was saying before, Google wants to see 1,500 words of command content on the homepage of any website. I ran the numbers on them as well, and they're at 633, so still only about half the way of where Google's going to want to see them to rank higher. This is a very easily beatable site to get you guys in that top spot on not only that map pack listing where you're already sitting, but in the organics, because these are the two most important places on Google that every one of your future customers is going to go to look directly for your services. Now, I do have just one more comparison I wanted to show you, and this is a tool that analyzes every single website out there. And so what I did is I went ahead and I pulled up both yours and their site as well. So here's yours, obviously, May Creek Landscaping. Now, there's just a couple of things on here that we're looking at. So UR and DR are the most important. Essentially, what UR is the trust rating of your site. The DR is going to be the power rating of your site. So how trustworthy it is, and then how powerful it is. How these two numbers are generated is the backlinks. So a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. It's a clickable link that takes someone from their site to your site. It's a chain of credibility that's created. So we've got 137 backlinks for you guys, and then we've got a a 16 trust rating, and then we've got a 2.2 power rating. So in comparison, when I look at Green Spaces, now here's their site. So they've got 472 backlinks coming into their site. Now, they've got a 27 trust rating, and that is being generated because of these backlinks. They've got quite a bit more backlinks, so that's generating more trust. Now, with the power rating, they're at 0.9. So you guys are actually, ahead of them in that factor. But these two determining numbers are all powered by the backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Quality is certainly more important here than quantity. So just some things that I found while doing a little bit of research, and again, these things are very easily able to be overcome. You guys could be pretty simply beating out Green Spaces and be on that first page. Just one more time, I searched all the way through 10 pages and didn't see you guys anywhere. That's really crucial. You guys are missing out on a ton of calls and opportunity, and you could easily beat these guys out and be taking all their traffic. So I really hope that what I said was of value, and if you wouldn't mind, you could shoot me some feedback on this video, letting me know what you thought. That would be absolutely wonderful. Appreciate your time.